Okay, boys and girls. So last week we talked about how a cloud is made out of water. So let's think about this water being the water that's in ponds and lakes and the ocean. We can find some water on our sidewalks after it rains. Well, the question is, how does this water float up into a cloud? Well, I just poured in some hot water, and now I'm going to shake it around a little so that the whole jar gets coated with the heat. So when I'm touching it, it's hot now. Now that I've put in a heat source, now I'm going to put in on top of it the lid with ice. Now I want you to think, what is going on? How is this water going to end up in the sky? How does that happen? Think about the two things that I just did. Think about the temperature here and the temperature here. Could we have a cloud if one of these temperatures was absent? In other words, could a cloud form if this was just cold water and this was cold ice? Right now I have hot water, or the earth is being heated up by the sun, so that's what this jar represents. So the next thing I'm going to introduce is these water molecules need a way to float up to the sky. They need something to float on. And in real life, usually it's things like dust and pollen, and the water, when it gets heated, it attaches to those things. But I don't have a bucket of pollen or any dust or anything to pour in. So I'm going to pour in or spray in some hairspray so that the water molecules will have something to attach to as they float up. If there wasn't any dust or small matter like that floating around in the air, the water wouldn't have anything to latch on to. So I'm going to spray it in. I'm going to press pause.